This was epic.
This all started when James said he had a surprise for me the next morning. It is a beautiful Tuesday morning. We have literally no idea what we're doing. James is taking me on a wild goose chase or whatever the hell this morning. I haven't had any coffee or anything to eat, so
I'm on breakfast.
this should be interesting.
You're gonna eat.
Is that the surprise is to go eat?
Yeah, you're just going to breakfast.
Okay, it's just another day at HHWheels. Why are we going to the airport? Oh, we're going to the dump, but my bet is we're going to the airport. You're not buying a plane, are you? You're buying an airplane?
Shut up. You never know what I got going on.
I guess I don't. What is happening?
This is a big deal.
Are we getting on an airplane? Is that what's happening?
Hello, everybody.
Hey, Caroline.
Casey, pleasure to meet you.
Have no idea what's going on, but all right.
You haven't been told yet.
No.
We're doing a little video on the other side. Oh, hey.
That's what
Casey Porter. Sweet. Well, let's go check this monster out.
Dude, what?
So you guys are getting a plane.
We're going to breakfast.
What?
Yeah. We're going to breakfast.
Are you hungry?
I guess. What? I thought he was buying an airplane. Oh my god.
We're going to St. Simon's for breakfast.
You're me.
No.
That's awesome. I'm sorry.
You need to be up there for weight and balance.
Oh, I have to be up there?
Yep.
For sure.
He's calling you fat.
You're fat. I'm fat.
You're looking good, dude.
Thanks, man. I work out.
Yeah.
I don't work out. Those things are heavy.
No, yeah.
I'm going to show you guys. If you peek your head in here, once I turn the plane on, and I'll give you a thumbs up, you press this power button and make sure it's flashing green, because that turns on the noise canceling. Makes it nice and quiet. And then this has to be right up to your lips to talk. If it's out here, we won't hear you.
How long have you been flying?
Since I've had my license since '06, before I met you.
This guy's full of secrets, man. Pro snowboarder, pilot since '06. Probably could have been a pro bicycle racer.
But I'm lazy.
This is awesome. Super cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited. If you couldn't already tell by now, James and Casey have been friends for quite some time. So, this was really a treat for both of us.
So,
It's a pretty cool surprise, I'll give you that.
I'm hungry.
I am too. It's so cool. It's so cool to see like the island we live on and the areas we've traveled to, like that up close personal. I mean, you see it when you're flying out for like probably 2 minutes, but seeing it the whole time is just so cool.
All the roads you've been driving on for all your life.
Yeah, it's cool. And to see, like, seeing your house was kind of cool. Like, I don't know, it's just kind of cool to see it like this big when you see it, you know, the size of you. I mean, sounds like I've never been on an airplane. I have, but it's cool. Don't wear your hat like that.
Okay, so if I wanted to learn how to fly, I mean, is it pretty easy?
Yeah, it's really easy. You go and first thing I would recommend is doing an introductory flight. See if you like it first, and if so. Most of the local airports, smaller airports, will have an on-site school that you can go and take some lessons and begin your path.
Did you find it easy?
Flying, yeah. The training and whatnot, studying the book stuff, you just study. It's all new at first, so it's all overwhelming, but as you continue on, you gradually pick up things, and before you know it, you're a pilot.
Oh, I'm gonna have to look into this.
Stay tuned. Clear prop!
This was epic. Thank you.
Well, I don't want to brag, but I do work out.
You're pretty badass, I must say. We have great friends. That's all there is to it.
Hi in the back. All right, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because I did. Be sure to like and subscribe this video because I'm awesome and so are they.
Action.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like it, wherever the like is. It's either here or there. You know where it is. The idea.
Okay.
We're on video. Ready?
Hang on. And action.
Sorry, I got lost. What was I saying? If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. It's you're making it awkward.